Welcome to Home Lifestyle and Decor. This is Seema and today I am here to share some tips on table decor so that you can transform your dining table into a key design element of your living room.
Because you eat as much with your eyes as you do with your mouth, the prettier your table looks and feels, the more your guests will enjoy their experience and remember the food. Gorgeous table linen help to give your dining table setting a makeover and turn your regular meals into special treats. A stylish touch can be added to the table with special items like a tablecloth, table mats, runner, napkins, coasters, and napkin rings. A table mat does way more than just protect your table and tablecloth. It provides a backdrop for the beautiful meal you just made. The right set of table mats can also add a pop of color and character to any dinner party spread. While these are available in many sizes and shapes, it is important to choose those that match well with your home decor. I have made these table mats using leatherette, and the borders and flowers are also of leatherette but in contrasting colors. Leatherette has been pasted on thick plastic and then the borders have been fixed with fabric glue. Flowers are placed in the corners. You may cover them with transparent sheets for protection and better look as well. In the same way, I have made the matching runner as well. We can also prepare table mats at home with old newspapers. You just have to roll paper tubes out of newspaper and then either paste them or stitch them together. Cut them as per your desired size and paste it over a hard cardboard for convenience. Paint them in any color and design you want. You may decorate it further with small mirrors or put a brocade border at one side. For cleaning purpose and durability, cover it up with a transparent sheet. You can also make long paper strips and then weave them together as shown in the picture. Make them of your desired size, add a border, paint the front side and it's ready to use. Don't forget to cover it up with a transparent sheet. Printland.in provides an interesting option of getting personalized table mats also. Table mats are generally made from materials that are typically durable and stain resistant. Wood or bamboo are very popular options. Cotton, linen and synthetic blends also make for nice table mats, but plastic table mats are great because they are easiest to clean. Most of the plastic table mats can be easily placed in the dishwasher. These are the table mats made with canvas cotton fabric. Thick fabric helps runners stay firmly on the table. With this we have used matching glasses and coasters. For color coordination, I have tied green ribbons to the cutlery set. When you are buying table mats, you can also take coordinated coasters and trays for a sophisticated look. Coasters can also be prepared at home. We have prepared these glass ones by painting them in different colors and designs. We have made this mini chalkboard with card and ice cream sticks pasted together. Napkin rings are another luxurious table decoration that can really make your guests feel welcome. For special occasions, wrap the napkin rings around cloth napkins. They can create an elegant finishing touch on the most sophisticated table decorations. Salt and pepper shaker and toothpick holders can also add a touch to your table decor besides being functional. These cute little ones can add good-natured gourmet humor to dinner time, or these sophisticated ones can add some glamour to your table decor. Select as per your mood, but just remember not to make your table too cluttered. For kids, you can add a touch of excitement to the meal times with this 3D mats and matching accessories. Last but not the least, you can create the right ambience by using lights. Low hanging lights over the dinner table can add a lot of drama and beauty. After all, you probably want to see what you are eating without having to rely on the candles only. Place your table settings together so that you can make sure each item from the cutlery to the tablecloth complements one another. If you are using your silver cutlery, use silver decor items as well for that elegant look. Hope it gives you lot of ideas to make your next meal a special one. If yes, please do share it with your friends and family, and if not, share your feedback in the comment section below. You can also suggest what else you would like to add here. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Thank you. Keep watching.